Sweet. Say, it's okay, Sissy. It's okay, Sissy.
Harley, can you give her a kiss? Oh,
Oh. Oh. Just can't get over her coloring. It's so sweet. Such a dark-haired girl. Are you going to keep your dark hair? That would be fun if you did. With all the blondes, that would be fun.
Harley, baby, cry.
Oh, it's okay. Say it's okay. Say it's okay, Sissy. Say it's okay, Sissy. Can you say it's okay, Sissy? Sissy, it's okay,
I
Sissy.
miss you, little girl.
It's okay, Sissy. She was so happy to talk about Sissy. Yeah. Oh dear. It's okay.
Oh, nice.
It's okay, Sissy. It's okay, Sissy.
Harley, are you a big girl?
Yeah, she's holding her Sissy. Oh, I bet Libby. We're gonna have a time with Libby. Want to hold her Sissy too.
Harley, say it's okay, baby.
It's okay.